the African peer review mechanism to review and audit the Big Four gender programs. The targeted review of affordable housing, food security, manufacturing and affordable healthcare is slated for February 2022. The review is expected to help the government recalibrate the programs to enhance progress tracking by the government and other APRM country members in Africa.
The Big Four agenda was rolled out by the government in the year 2017 to ensure food security, develop the manufacturing sector and enhance universal healthcare. Almost 4 years down the line, the Big Four agenda has faced serious headwinds due to capacity and funding problems. The government has invited the new Partnership for Africa's Development and African Peer Review Mechanism to conduct targeted review of program to help in the rollout process.
Just had a base review 10 years earlier, which meant that a lot of development had already taken place in the country that required a comprehensive assessment, especially in all the sectors. The second reason is we had promulgated the new constitution in 2010, which actually paved way to a two-tier government system with a devolved system, with 47 national, the national and 47 county governments. And the new constitution, among others, was mainly to actually address challenges in our governance, as cited in the 2006 APRM base review.
Speaking in Mombasa, Nepal, Kenya Secretariat Chief Ambassador Samuel Okuya says Kenya's demand smooth implementation of the agenda are some of the factors that prompted the country to partake the review. Nepal says the review will further help other crucial issues, including the fight against corruption, diversity and gender inclusivity, and employment matters.
So to underscore the importance of good governance structures in the country and the government's firm commitment to the APRM initiatives, including the ongoing National Governance Report, which, for your information, is soon to be submitted, and particularly to the targeted review process, whose commencement is the key reason for the support mission that is here with us.
Besides the targeted review, Kenya is also implementing the County Peer Review Mechanism (CPRM), aimed at cascading APRM good governance principles to the subnational units in line with the APRM's decisions of 2019, as well as highlight strengths and challenges that the country is experiencing during the implementation phase. Reporting for Channel 1 Business News from Mombasa County, I'm Michael Mondiga.